Coming up, I'll show you my foolproof way to stop freezer burn and get a juicy steakhouse quality steak at home. Plus, I'm going to tackle one of the messiest jobs in the kitchen. How to vacuum seal a bag of marinated chicken tenders without pulling liquid into the machine. Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, did you know that using a vacuum sealer to preserve your food can extend its life for up to 6 times, especially food that goes in the freezer, because a vacuum sealer can help reduce the effects of freezer burn. Vacuum sealers and sous vide cooking are an absolute match made in heaven, especially when it comes to steak. I just add a little Canadian steak seasoning, seal it up tight, and let the sous vide cooker do its magic. And by the way, if you have never had a sous vide steak, I recommend you give it a try because, in my opinion, it is hands down the easiest way to guarantee a juicy steakhouse quality steak every single time. Let's have a look at the buttons. Next to the power button, you'll see the accessory button. Now, the accessory button allows you to use the included tube and nozzles to vacuum rigid containers or pre-made vacuum seal bags with vacuum ports. Let's have a look at the pulse button. Now, this is exactly what you need when you're sealing bags with liquid like these marinated chicken tenders. You insert the bag just like you normally would, but you use the pulse button to manually control the suction power. As soon as you see the liquid start to creep up toward the top, just release the button and the machine will automatically seal the bag. Now notice that there is a built-in trough right inside to catch any liquid that happens to get pulled out. Now, if liquid does make it to the top of the seal line, that's when you use the extended seal button. It leaves the heating bar on for a few extra seconds to boil off the moisture and ensure a solid, secure seal. And here's a quick tip for you. When it's time to fill the bag, especially when there's liquids involved, roll the top of the bag down just a bit. The bag will become more rigid and stay open, making it much easier to fill. Let me show you how to seal a bag before you can fill it. Pull out the amount you need plus a little bit extra, and then use the cutter to slice it from side to side. Then insert it into the clip that holds it in place, close the lid, and press the seal button. Now here's a look at everything that comes in the box. Now you might be wondering why I chose this specific vacuum sealer. Well, I went with the Bonsenkitchen vacuum sealer mainly because of its almost 5-star rating on Amazon. I don't mind spending a little bit more if it means getting my hands on something that is actually built right. This thing feels rock solid, and I anticipate it's going to be around a very long time. I recommend you give it a try. Thanks for watching.